Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. The manner in which the compensation is to be apportioned was also given in the award. Stop. Such award left the respondent number 2, owner of the offending truck, aggrieved, and he has knocked at the door of this court by filing separate appeals, praying that the same be accepted. The award under challenge be set aside. Stop. Notice of the appeals was issued to the respondents who have put in appearance through counsel. Stop. Respondents in both the appeals have also filed cross objections seeking enhancement of compensation. Stop. Respondent number 3, insurance company, has also appeared through counsel. Stop. I have heard learned counsel for the parties besides going through the record. Stop. The tribunal has though admitted that the accident in which Ommi Devi had suffered injuries and Kamala Devi had lost her life had taken place on account of rush and negligent driving of the offending truck owned by respondent number 2, but had disbelieved the version of the claimants that the truck was being driven by Vedpal, respondent number 1, at that time. Stop. The tribunal has given a finding that as a matter of fact the truck was being driven by one Sukhbir Singh, who has not been impleaded as a respondent in the present case. Stop. Therefore, Vedpal and Oriental Insurance Company were not liable. Stop. I find that the whole approach of the tribunal was wrong and incorrect. Stop. As per the case of the claimants, the offending truck was being driven by respondent number 1, Vedpal, at the relevant time. Stop. It is for that reason they had impleaded him as a respondent. Stop. PW1 injured had deposed in consonance with the case of the claimants as given in the claim petitions. Stop. PW2, who had also provided the eyewitness on account of the incident, had also deposed on those lines. Stop. In the FIR copy Exhibit P1, it is clearly mentioned that the accident had been caused by truck number HYD 2771 by its rash and negligent driving. Stop. Challan in this case has been filed and truck driver is facing trial. Stop. The tribunal has made much of the fact that the eyewitnesses had not given name of the truck driver. Stop. The tribunal, referring to the FIR and statements recorded during the inquest proceedings, came to the conclusion that the truck was being driven by Sukhbir Singh, that in the FIR the name of the driver was mentioned as Sukhbir Singh, and that neither Ommi Devi appearing as PW1 nor Sundar appearing as PW2 had not stated that the police had not recorded their statements correctly. Stop. The claimants had not examined the investigating officer to show as to under what circumstances name of the driver has been changed from Sukhbir Singh to Vedpal. Stop. As much the tribunal reached a conclusion that the truck was being driven by Sukhbir Singh. Stop. I find that the entire approach of the tribunal was erroneous and misdirected. Stop. The FIR is not a substantive piece of evidence and its only purpose is to set the criminal machinery in motion. Stop. FIR is often lodged in hurry and it may not contain the minute and precise details of the incident. Stop. The FIR can be got registered by a person who may not be an eyewitness of the incident. Stop. It is only during investigation of the case that police can come to know about the culprit who had committed the crime. Over.